What materials are most commonly used for front doors? Your front door is both your welcome home and your first line of defense. It's in your best interest to use solid, strong, and robust materials that can insulate your home, stand up to the elements, while most importantly protecting your property against intruders. With both traditional and contemporary designs to choose from, a solid timber front door is an elegant and striking addition to any home and a door that you love to come home to. Whatever material, design, and finish you go for, we have a range of screen and security screen doors that can be added to your new front door. Our ultra-safe security screen doors offer superior security and peace of mind with a 316 marine-grade stainless steel mesh and triple lock mechanism. Screens are available as single or double hinge doors or even sliding and stacking options. At Doors Plus, we also offer our exclusive Guardian 2-in-1 integrated security screen door in either solid timber or HMR skin for ultimate convenience and flexibility.